So the reason I have a highly concentrated portfolio is because I think that the return reward ratio, the reward ratio is superior to having a diversified one. A lot of people say that they have a highly concentrated portfolio, but I think it's relatively obvious that when you have like 20 stocks, that's not really concentrated. It's only 5% each. I have Momo as being 44% basically in my portfolio. And all these stocks, for example, on Momo, it's 44% of my portfolio. I get a 9% yield on my principal. So on the original amount that I put down, I get a 9% dividend. On YY or Joy, actually, they just haven't updated the name, I guess, on this, on public or whatever. I get like a 6% dividend. On Finvolution, I get like almost a 6% dividend. And on 360 Finance, I think I get like a 5% dividend or dual yield. And these are companies that have, I think it's okay. I think they have good growth prospects, but over time, because right now the Chinese economy is having a lot of headwinds, as we've talked about, or as I've talked about earlier in this channel. I've talked about how they have a lot of headwinds and how that's making a lot of issues for them. And we'll see if whether or not that is being that's they're able to overcome that. I mean, you have Momo that is massively profitable now. We'll see if they are gonna continue with good earnings, but I mean, right now for the last 2 years, the Chinese companies' earnings have been pretty bad. But this is just my highly concentrated portfolio, and I did it, as I said earlier, because I think the risk reward ratio is much better being concentrated. All these companies, when I bought them, yielded like 5 or 6%. Momo yields 9%, so that's why I'm so concentrated, because it was cheaper than all the rest. The dividend was so much greater, and that's why I think I get more value there. But obviously, there's a lot more risk with Chinese equities than American companies. So also, this is not investing advice, so none of this is investing advice. But I think that that's what I'm going to keep it as. I don't even plan on buying anymore because I don't have any money right now, and not in a financial position to do so, unfortunately. But if I was, I think I'd buy more. But we'll see what happens in the future.